welcome back to the Railroad Yard and Hubcap Hobbies. Today I am at the Baton Rouge area Model Railroad Club for their open house. I've been meaning to visit for quite some time, as I've heard that they have some pretty impressive layouts, so let's go check it out. Now, larger model railroad clubs usually have a good-sized building with multiple layouts. But here they take it a step further. They have two buildings with several layouts inside of them. This is their N scale layout. Right now they have the big boy running, followed by an endless train of hopper cars. On the other side of the room is an O-gauge layout, complete with all sorts of fun accessories, including a working drive-in movie theater, a windmill tower, and even an aquarium. Now in the middle of the layout, you'll see some HO gauge tracks. Now those are there to run ON30 trains. Now ON30 is narrow gauge in O scale, which runs on HO, as it's roughly half the size of O-gauge track. Inside the next building is the O-gauge layout. Here's something more model railroaders should try. The backdrop here is made of images of real buildings and scenery. It really helps to create the illusion that the scenery goes beyond the space of the layout. On the other side of the room is the HO gauge layout. And outside is their train garden. Unfortunately, there weren't any trains running when I was visiting, which is really too bad as it was a beautiful sunny 100-degree day. Right behind the Model Railroad Club is the Old Hickory Railroad. Like the train garden, it wasn't running today, but hopefully I'll get to come back here sometime when it's running and get some video of it in action. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.